Hi everyone, this is a video about this Manfrotto 290 series tripod that is normally going for such a price like this, but here you can find this on eBay from 90 pounds up to 120 pounds. It depends which head is coming with. And this one is coming with a ball head that it says it's compact, fully featured center ball head with a quick release attachment and friction control. And the head is detachable for future upgrade and interchangeability. This top head is coming out, but this video is not really about that. We are going to have a look at this anyhow, but is about the tripod itself. And the tripod has adjustable aluminium leg locks, provide constant rock solid support. That's really it. And here the mechanism of each leg that it has, three-phase designed, prevents rotation for increased steadfastness. We are going to look at that. This is the one below the 290 xpro series, that it has the telescopic horizontal convertibility, and it's not bad, but is a solid tripod for any beginners. And here are the same. There it says here that here it says robust aluminium construction and ergonomic controls, and here it says the three phases of the legs movement, two leg angle adjustment of a creative shooting perspective. And here it says the anti-shock collar protects your camera from accidental impact, this one. So it has a spongy feeling. Anyhow, I get everything out of the box and we talk more. Just before I get it out of the box, these are the heights and our specification of this model, and the name of the model and the serial number, and all the good things about this model is here. This model 290 series basic, that is when you get everything out of the box, as with every Manfrotto's, it comes with a sort of leaflet, instructional leaflet, and all the other stuff that you can get with this unit from Manfrotto, and the warranty, and more or less is not about these, but is about this tripod that is coming with this 494 RC2 ball head. That the head it can be exchanged with other Arca Swiss type if you wish, and it has two sort of adjustment. One is smooth, one is just the top, and the other one is for friction control. And this is the impact protection plastic that it's talking about. And this one has the legs. You can have it in several positions, and it is all done via this. If you do it like that, it just opens up as much as this, and when you open them up like so, they can go further up to this angle. And as normal, the center shaft is coming out, but unfortunately the center shaft is very short, so don't expect a very tall height from this, but is really solid, and it has all the expectable and respectable features of a good tripod, and is heavy as well, I have to say that. And you can add any sort of other heads, the tripod heads that you want. And as normal, it has 3/8 of an inch screw on top of here that you can just use any other adapters. And here, this is a quick release plate with a safety feature that you can just do it like so and get it out. And when you put it back in, it's just everything clicks back in like so. And when you open it, there are screws, this Allen key screw that you can exchange this with the Arca Swiss heads and so on. And this is the normal Manfrotto quick release head. Anyhow, this was supposed to be a quick video about this Manfrotto 290 series tripod, which is really good. And these are the aluminium, and these are the locks. But I have heard that these locks are prone to break from the hinges, but I am yet to experience those. But everything about this tripod shouts quality, and I fully recommend that for beginners. But there are other tripods in Manfrotto ranges that you can use and avoid getting up the models by these Manfrotto tripods. For instance, if you go straight for the 290 xpro B series, you have that capability that you can get the horizontal pole is coming out and then getting horizontal and getting the shots. And xpro B series, these legs are opening up to the near to the 90 degrees, and is good for macro shots and so on. So by all means, I recommend this. This is a solid tripod and is from a solid brand name. Anyhow, I hope you like this video. Until my next video, take care of yourself and each other. And as always, thanks for watching, and I see you on my next video. Have a great time.